Guys, today I'm going to show you how you can turn off app tracking in the Alcatel 1SE Lite. So in the first step, open the settings and look for the apps. Then tap on the advanced and open the permission manager. Select the location and now just look for the app that you want to turn off the app tracking. There you have all the apps that have a location permission on your device. So if you want to deny that anyone, just open it and select deny. Deny anyway, and with this location permission setup, the Google app or any other app cannot track you anymore. And this is how it works. Thanks for the watch, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.